Hello, friends. Welcome to my virtual math class. And today we're going to be discussing the measurable attribute weight, which means how heavy or light. The cub. Students will know how to compare measurable attributes. Students will understand the meaning of weight. Students will be able to compare the weight of different objects and determine if it is heavier or lighter. Vocabulary. So, of course, we have measurable attribute. And a measurable attribute is a way to measure and describe an object, which means you can measure an attribute by length, you can measure an attribute by weight or capacity. So today we're going to be talking about weight. Can you say weight? Weight is how heavy or light an object is. Can you say that? How heavy or how light an object is. Good job. And when you're measuring weight, you use a scale. Okay, you use a scale. Now, this scale looks a little bit different than the scale that you use to measure your weight when you go to the doctor or when you go to the nurse, or you may even have a scale that you stand on at home. Okay, this is a different type of scale. Okay, our next vocabulary word is heavier. Can you say heavier? Heavier means having more weight. Can you say that? Good job. And if you notice, they're using a scale to measure the weight of an elephant and a mouse. Okay. Now, this is the word heavier. So if you notice, they circled the elephant because the elephant is heavier than the mouse. And pay attention to what the scale did. The heavier item or object made the scale go down. Okay. That's just like when you carry something heavy, it kind of weighs your arms down or make your arms go down. That's the same thing that happens with a scale. Okay. So when we're comparing the elephant to the mouse, we would say the elephant is heavier than the mouse. Can you say that? The elephant is heavier than the mouse. Good job. All right, our last vocabulary word is lighter. Can you say lighter? Lighter means having less weight. Okay. Now, if you notice something different, they circled the mouse this time because the mouse is lighter, okay, or it's smaller. Okay. And pay attention to what the scale did with the lighter object. Okay. The lighter object went up. Okay. It went up. So, for example, when we're comparing the mouse to the elephant, we would say the mouse is lighter than the elephant. Can you say that with me? The mouse is lighter than the elephant. Good job. All right, go ahead and get ready for the video lesson and pay close attention. Watch how the scale moves, okay, for heavier objects and for lighter objects. All right,